I love old stuff, especially in today's day and age where things lack character and uniqueness. Everything is becoming more refined or more minimalistic in terms of design, and at the same time more complex when it comes to functionality. I, for one, have always been attracted to the warmth and subtle inconveniences that would come with things that would have stood the test of time. And that is especially true when it comes to cars. Me and Nakeem apart. Alright, we'll do it again. By the way, Jesus. By the way, me and Nakeem apart. We buy Hope Gardens today for a little Father's Day car show that they have here. As a gelding. So those of you who don't know, jeez. Nothing on my head?
No. Well, yeah.
Take it out. So gelding is a term that we use in Jamaica to describe, you'd say, a man with a childbearing age and refuse to get a child. Yo, this stuff down the key. This would have fit me still, you know. I'm going to miss a bean scare them down the key. That one is tough. Bro, this has to be the toughest one. This clean. This might be the cleanest one with it. You don't think so? Guys, I was here looking at the cars and a thought crossed my mind. All these cars kind of have their own story. Like behind every dented fender, every new polished paint, every bit of rust on these cars, you have history, years of experiences, adventures, accidents, repairs. All of these cars have their own story, and it's just like people. We all have our own stories, we all have our own hiccups on the way, our own experiences, our own things that are unique to us. And I just found that, you know, I found that thought real nice, that technically we're all like classics in the making. If you think about it, we're all writing our own story. Tell you, bro, once you say BMW, this come to the mind. What? Oh, don't know why, but maybe it's because we grew up playing Most Wanted. But once you say BMW, this is the best model. I don't know what year, I don't know a lot about cars. Best BMW. You know about them engineer? Your Civic can't manage them engineer. But I tell him say Civic can't manage them car. Eh? Bro, this is sick. Oh, the yellow load still there. Eh? Nah, bro, this is Bumblebee. What do you know about this? They may run taxi a man devil. This shows me that you don't have to be new to be valuable. You don't have to be new or trendy to be valuable. Like, look how much people come from all over the city just to look at these cars. Living in a world that celebrates new and being trendy just shows that, yeah, never forget that your experiences, your life, everything that you've been through adds value. And ooh, man, look on this, the seat, the stitching in the seat, the detail in the car. Oh wow, the details really matter on this car, like the hand stitching on the seats, the rims, the hubcaps, the custom, everything about the details and paying attention to the details really matter. And that's true for life as well. Like, all these little things, all these little details kind of add to the appeal of the car, and it just shows it's a saving life. You do anything how you do everything. The small details matter. The small details on your daily, day-to-day matter. I have a quick question. So, when them used to carry people in them car, the driver would have inside and the passenger would have outside? Yeah, so the passenger would have all the way out here, so, and the driver would be here. So if we talk to the passenger, talk to the driver, they would have to talk through the window. But what I like how, like, the older cars in general, them smaller.
I see a step right here, so.
Oh, so you step on this and this to go in the passenger side of the car. And if you're not carrying nobody, you can close the passenger side. Even the spear. This enough. Yo. Bro, this body afraid. If I had this, I would be in the mountains every day. Bro, I would have a whole setup, tent setup on the top. Water jug. I'd be in the bushes every day. A lot of the cars here, they have imperfections. They have dents, they have rust, they have all these little things, but still the owners are really beaming when they talk about them. The owners are really passionate and excited to showcase their cars. When it comes to things that you're passionate about, you don't have to be perfect to be proud of who you are and what you've accomplished. You don't have to be perfect. Just being passionate. Passion overshines perfection, as you can see. What would I say your favorite so far? What? This, the yellow one, also? The small one? Bro, this would probably be my favorite. Definitely. These are the yellow one up there, so the yellow musty looking one. For sure. A lot of these cars, guys, are frozen in time. Even though they're frozen in time, they still move people. Even to this day, decades after, they still move people. And that is move people literally and move people figuratively. Like, just look at the amount of people here that are in these vehicles. Even the designs from decades ago still have so much character and still have such an impact on people. To this day, these designs still have a lasting impact. It just shows that the work that you put in, if you put in the work, you can stand the test of time. Time will pass, people will forget about you, but the work you put in today can be the inspiration for somebody tomorrow. You never know. This is exactly what I was talking about before. So this is like a newer model, a newer SUV, and it just have like the generic SUV shape what every SUV have. The same type of car here. It's just so much more unique and has so much more character compared to the newer kind of. You get the point. You guys, we're about to leave the car show. We're about to leave. I'm not gonna lie, I did not expect the visit to the classic car show to be so reflective. But just think about the things that I said, if it makes sense to you. And just a quick one for you today. That's it for this video, guys. Remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Nothing. I know my other body that's in a dried up. They tell me what is work with everybody for spoil us. And I know I'm a feel you feel it too. I've been hot in a man like a big cartoon. And I remember when they tell me say you love me. It took a minute but